What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got an easy install on the C7. About to install these taillight tint. Got it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Just a peel and stick, 3M tape, so better look at it. ABS plastic. But yeah, just clean the surface with alcohol and just stick it. I heard you got to put the, I guess, the corners in first. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. It's all 4 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and test fit them first, and then I'll show you what it look like. This is what it's gonna look like after. I haven't peeled and stick them on yet. Just test fitted them. I think it's gonna look real good. Alright, so this is completed. Got them all and put them on. The hardest part about this thing was taking the red side off the taking that stuff off the double-sided tape, whatever. That shit sucked. But yeah, love the look, man. But yeah, that's the video. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time.